Well, hello. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing the puddle lights on the Porsche 911. Alright, so I actually made this video a little while back. I just hadn't done an intro to it because I was busy just getting to work on it. So these are going to be puddle lights that I ordered online. They came with the wiring that was kind of bare, or had these little clips that don't correspond to my 997. So I'm not sure if they're made for a different vehicle, but in this video I'll show you how to modify them so that you won't have to splice anything or cut into any of the wiring in case you want to put it back to stock. So that's what today's video will be about, and I'm just going to get into it. All right, so we're going to be working on this now. This is the original. So this is the light bulb. So we're going to put these terminals on. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to cut these cables here, these ends. And now we're going to be peeling away to expose the cable. Same thing over here. I'm gonna get, they're called male disconnects, 1/4 inch. So we clamp that down. That's not going anywhere. Grab another one. Get this in here. Make sure you see the cable on the other side. And clamp it down. So we're going to remove this here, and you just take a screwdriver, pop it up on from this side. Don't do it from this side. I think there's an actual clip here. So pull it there, and then it should shimmy out. So from there, we're going to see what the connectors look like. So we are going to try disconnecting these and see how that goes. Okay. So that comes out like that, and it comes out with the light bulb. All right, so we just plug this right into here. All right. That's it. So that's what a finished product looks like when you open the door. All right, so that's going to be it for today's video. I just want to thank everybody for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit the like button, comment, hit the notification bell. And, I hope it helps you out. It's nothing that's out of this world or too difficult. But the wiring's a little tricky on the product that I got, the lights that I got and what I had to do here. So hopefully that'll help you out if you're in the same predicament where you get these lights, they don't fit exactly. Then, I went to the auto parts store and got the little, the adapters, and that way you're not splicing anything or cutting anything from your stock car. So hope it'll help you out. And if you like it, I'll put a link in the description for everything that I used. And Thank you. Take care.